K-Talk Lab, where K-pop meets learning. Want to learn real, everyday Korean using BTS lyrics? Today we are breaking down the ultimate hype track, Body to Body. This is part 1. Let's get into it. Listen to this powerful line.
정, 칼, 키보드 다 좀 치워.
In English, this naturally translates to guns, swords, keyboards, put them all away. It's a bold statement calling out negativity, both in real life and online. Let's break it down.
초,
Means gun.
칼,
Is sword or knife.
키보드
Is literally keyboard.
다,
Means all or everything.
좀,
Is a filler word that means a little, but here it's used to say please or soften a command. Finally,
치워.
means to put away or clean up. For the grammar here, notice how there are no and conjunctions used between the nouns. In spoken Korean, you can just list items one after the other. Then you group them together with da meaning all, followed by your action verb. You can use this exact pattern in your daily life when you want someone to clean up their mess. The pattern is item 1, item 2.
다 좀 치워.
Let's try it out. Want to tell someone to put away their study materials, say?
책, 공책 다 좀 치워.
Or maybe they've been staring at screens too long, say?
핸드폰, 게임 다 좀 치워.
Now it's your turn. How would you say? Put away all the trash. Let me know your answer in the comments. Let's learn another powerful Korean phrase.
인생은 짧아. 주문은 비워.
In English, this translates beautifully too. Life is short, empty out the hatred. It's an inspiring reminder to let go of negative energy and focus on what matters. Let's break it down.
인생
Means life.
짧아.
Means is short. Then we have
증오,
which means hatred, and
비워.
which is the command to empty or clear something out. The real magic here is the grammar. Notice the topic particles yun and noon attached to life and hatred. Using them back to back creates a poetic, rhythmic contrast. As for life, it's short. As for hatred, empty it. You can use this exact structure to make your own punchy, memorable statements. Just take a noun at the topic particle yun or noon and finish with a descriptive word or action. Let's try it.
시간은 빨라.
Which means time is fast, or if you want to tell someone to clear their head.
마음은 비워.
Which means empty your mind. Challenge time. How would you tell someone to empty your glass? Let me know your translation in the comments. Listen to this attitude-packed line.
뭘 채면 따져. 내려놔. 야, 임마.
A natural English translation for this would be, why do you care about saving face? Just let it go, man. It's all about dropping your ego and not worrying about what others think. Let's break down this slangy sentence.
뭘?
Means what?
채며.
Is your pride, reputation, or saving face?
따져.
Means to calculate or be picky about something.
내려놔.
Tell someone to literally put something down or let it go. Finally,
야,
means hey, and
임마.
is an informal slang word like dude or punk. Definitely only use this one with close friends. Let's look at the phrase.
뭘?
Plus noun.
따져.
Even though it literally translates to what are you calculating? Koreans use this as a rhetorical question to say, why do you even care about this? Or it doesn't matter. You can use this exact sentence pattern when you want to tell someone to stop overthinking or caring about something trivial. Let's try it out in real life. If your friend says they are too old to try something new, say,
뭘 나이를 따져.
if they are worrying about who pays the bill, you can say,
뭘 돈을 따져.
let's test your memory with the other half of the lyric. How would you tell your friend to? Put down your bag. Drop your answer in the comments. Keep that energy going.
좀 더 가까이 와 스킨 투 스킨.
In English, this simply means, come a little closer, skin to skin. It matches the vibe of the song perfectly, calling everyone to let go, get together, and just vibe. Let's break down the Korean we saw.
좀,
Earlier here it means a little,
더,
means more,
가까이,
means close or near, and
와,
is the casual command for come. The phrase
좀 더,
is incredibly useful. It literally means a little more. You pair it with an adverb or adjective when you want to adjust how something is done. You can use this pattern all the time. Just say John Dio followed by how you want the action to change faster, slower, louder, closer. Let's try using it. If you can't hear someone, tell them.
좀 더 크게 말해봐.
Which means speak a little louder. Or if you are walking too fast, say.
좀 더 천천히 가자.
Which means let's go a little slower. Your turn. How would you ask someone to? Give me a little more like when they are serving you food. Let me know your answer in the comments. Let's learn a beautifully poetic line.
저기 저 달의 닿게 손에 손.
A natural English translation for this is hand in hand, so we can reach that moon over there. It creates a dreamy, united image of reaching for a shared goal together. Let's break it down.
저기,
Means over there, and
저,
means that.
달,
Is the moon, and
에,
is a particle meaning to or at.
닿게,
Comes from the verb meaning to touch or to reach. Finally,
손에 손.
literally translates to hand, meaning hand in hand. The key grammar point here is the ending.
게,
Attached to the verb.
닿다,
Means to touch, reach. When you add
게,
to a verb or adjective stem, it turns into an adverb phrase meaning so that or in a way that. So,
닿게,
means in a way that it reaches or so that we can reach. You can use this pattern to explain the purpose behind an action. You attach
게,
to the result you want, followed by the action you are taking to get there. Let's try it in everyday situations. Want someone to speak up, say.
다 들리게 말해봐.
Means speak so that it can be heard. Or if you are telling a friend to dress nicely for an event, you can say.
예쁘게 입어.
Means dress in a pretty way. Challenge time, try translating. So it reaches the sky. Drop your best translation in the comments section. Let's keep the vibe going.
너와 나의 안 온다. 예?
The natural English translation is simple and sweet. You and me, we on, yeah. It's a perfect phrase about keeping the good energy and connection going endlessly. Let's break down the Korean part.
너,
Means you
와,
is a connecting particle that means and. And
나,
means I or me. Let's focus on the word Washington. In Korean, there are a few different ways to say and, but Washington, along with its pergwa, is used specifically to link nouns together. You use Washington when the first word ends in a vowel, just like the word Neo. You can use this pattern to link any to things or people together. Just remember the rule. If the first noun ends in a vowel sound, use Washington. If it ends in a consonant, use gwa. Let's practice. To say a friend and me, you'd say.
친구와 나,
Or for a classic combo, milk and bread is.
우유와 빵.
Because Chengyu and Yuyu both end in vowels, they take Washington. Challenge time, how would you say? Coffee and cake in Korean? Type your answer in the comments. You killed it. Make sure to save this video so you can practice these phrases later. Drop your challenge answers in the comments and follow along so you don't miss part 2.